Google Chief Executive Sundar Pichai will replace Larry Page as CEO of parent Alphabet Inc., extending a long retreat from public roles and active management by Page and Sergey Brin at the company they co-founded 21 years ago. Page, Brin and Pichai have all shared an emphasis on developing artificial intelligence software to make web searching and other tasks faster, while long-time product leader Pichai has increased efforts to make such technology available globally. Fiscal 2017-18 could be the worst year in terms of performance for the Indian Railways since 1951. Railways posted a worst-ever operating ratio of 98.4% during the fiscal. An operating ratio of 98.4% means the Railways spent 98.4 paise to earn rupee 1 in the last financial year, implying a tiny surplus. Operating ratio is used to measure the operational efficiency of any organization. During the early years of 1950-1970, Indian Railways had maintained a healthy operating ratio. Private as well as government banks have jointly written off bad loans worth Rs 80,893 crore till September quarter of the current fiscal. Replying to a question in the Upper House, Minister of State for Finance, Anurag Thakur, also mentioned that these write-offs do not benefit the borrower. The Mumbai Police's Economic Offences Wing has arrested 3 directors of PMC Bank in its ongoing probe into the 4,355 crore scam, taking the total number of arrested people in the case to 12. They were arrested following an extensive interrogation of credit facilities provided by PMC Bank to now bankrupt Housing Development and Infrastructure Limited and its group companies. 5 interest rate cuts since the start of the year hasn't stopped India's economy from slowing to its weakest growth rate since 2013, but the RBI is expected to make its 6th cut on Thursday to give what little relief it can. A Reuters poll of 70 economists predicted the RBI would cut its repo rate by 25 basis points to 4.90% when the Monetary Policy Committee's decision is announced. India's gold imports in November jumped 78% from a month earlier to the highest level in 5 months, as jewelers in the world's second biggest market for the metal restocked after a fall in prices. Higher imports by India could support global prices that have risen more than 12% so far in 2019, but could also widen India's trade deficit and put pressure on the rupee. India fills nearly all of its gold demand through imports. India imported 71 tons of gold in November compared with 40 tons in October.